National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Blanco County, southwestern Burnett County, northeastern Gillespie County, southeastern Lando County until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:04 a.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Willow City, or 17 miles northeast of Fredericksburg, and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include Blowout, Sandy, Round Mountain, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Pattern Hills Falls State Park, Cypress Mill, Meadow Lakes, and Marble Falls. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday morning for South Central Texas. The National Weather